Good evening, friends, and welcome to Gradeup. Good evening, all of you, and welcome to Gradeup, friends. I wish you a very warm welcome from the team at Gradeup. So today we are going to discuss two passage-based questions. Okay, so there will be two passages that we are going to discuss today. Am I clear? After the first passage, you will be answering, you have to answer 5 questions. After another passage, you have to answer another 5 questions. So today we are going to discuss 2 passages, and in total we are going to discuss 10 questions. Good evening, all of you. Okay, good evening, all of you. So today we are going to discuss 2 passages. Now these were the sample question papers. These are the sample questions that the CLAT consortium has released. These are the 2 questions that we are going to discuss today. These questions have been released by the consortium of NLUs, that is the conducting body of CLAT. So without wasting time, let's start with today's class. Okay, so today we are going to discuss passage based question. Okay, first read the passage very carefully. Okay, what I will do is this, I will just shift the slide a little bit. Okay, I will shift the slide a little bit so that you can see it properly. There was some, I think. Now can you see the slide properly? Read the passage very carefully. Read the passage very, very carefully. Read the passage very carefully, friends. I will give you another 35 to 40 seconds to read this passage. Okay? Read the passage very, very carefully. So the passage talks about a part of a land that is disputed between India and Nepal. The passage also talks about a treaty between two or more than two countries. Am I clear? So did you read the entire passage? Did you read? Okay. Okay, fantastic. Now read the passage fast, friends. Read it carefully, a little fast. Okay. Let's come to question number 1. The name of the area that has become a subject of the dispute between India and Nepal, which is discussed in the passage above, which has been replaced by the number 1. What is number 1? What does 1 stands for? The question is, what does 1 stands for? Tell me. It is a very, very easy question. It is a very, very easy question. It is a very, very easy question. The correct answer is Kalapani. The land is known as Kalapani area. Okay, this is a disputed land between India and Nepal. India says this land belongs to the state called Uttarakhand, whereas Nepal says it's a land that belongs to them. Kalapani is the area. Am I clear? The correct answer is Kalapani. Am I clear, friends? Okay. The correct answer is option B, Kalapani. B. Kalapani happens to be the disputed land between India and Nepal that has been discussed in the passage. Okay. Question number 2. Kalapani is a tri-junction between India, Nepal and which country? If you know what is, since I have already told you it's a part of Uttarakhand, so it is on the north of the country. Okay. So this is the country like India. You have, this is, so Uttarakhand is over here, Nepal is over here, Nepal, right? So which is the land? Here is the land. This is the land I'm talking about, Kalapani. Which is the third country? It's very easy. Absolutely correct. Option C is the correct answer. China. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? It is, see, Bangladesh is this part of the country. It is not in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is this part. Am I clear? Okay. Let's move ahead. Question number 3. India and Nepal signed a treaty concerning the integrated development of the rivers whose name has been replaced with 3. So what is the name of the treaty and in which year was it signed? What is the name of the treaty and which year was it signed? People are saying B, Sagoli Treaty 1861. A lot of people are saying C, India-Nepal Treaty of Peace and Friendship 1950. Okay. What is the correct answer? The correct answer, friend, is option D, Mahakali Treaty 1996. Very, very important. A couple of you have definitely given me the right answer. A couple of you have definitely given me the right answer. But a lot of people has given the wrong answer. So the correct answer is Mahakali Treaty 1996. Am I clear? This is how you improve. Okay. The more we solve questions like these will help you to improve your understanding of GK. Okay. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? So before we move ahead, those who haven't liked the session by now, do like the session. Like the session immediately and then we will go to question number 4. like the session and share the session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Share this session with your other friends. Am I clear? And do like the session without fail. Question number 4. Question number 4. Let's see. Subject to certain condition, members of this Nepali speaking group who had their domicile in India. So who had their domicile in India on January 26, 1950 were confirmed to be citizen of India by the government of India late as 1988. So they were recognized as Indian citizens in the year 1988. Members of this group have also faced ethnic cleansing in certain Indian states, which have been in conflict with other groups, including the Khasi. Which is the group we are referring to? Most of you have given the correct answer. That is called the Gorkhas. There is also a regiment in the Indian Army known as the Gorkha Regiment. So option C is the correct answer. So Gorkhas have been asking from India a Gorkha land. So you have heard about the Gorkha land agitation of West Bengal, right? They are a part of West Bengal. Okay, the Gorkha land. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. Am I clear, friends? Option C happens to be the right answer. Question number 5. A member of this group referred in the previous question, that is the Gorkha people, is sometimes referred to as Captain Fantastic. He is referred to as Captain Fantastic. He is a part of the Gorkha people. The person is also the captain of the Indian football team. Who is his name? What is his name? He is none. Most of you have again given me the correct answer. He is Sunil Chhetri. Option A is the correct answer. Am I clear? Option A is the correct answer, friends. Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Sunil Chhetri is the correct answer. He is a Gorkha. Am I clear? Friends, we have launched at Gradeup a Target Law 2020 a Scoreup course. We have launched a crash course called Target Law 2020 a Scoreup course, which is aimed at you to score better in this competitive exam. This Target Law 2020, which is a Scoreup course, will consist of 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, 3000 plus practice question, 12 mocks, topic-wise quizzes and PDFs for revision, and full coverage of the current affair and legal knowledge. So those who haven't joined, those who haven't enrolled yourself, don't be late. Fast, because time is running away. You do not have too much of time left for this CLAT exam. It is a difficult exam, friends. So you should get into the habit of having good amount of knowledge before you sit for the exam. Am I clear? We have launched a Target Law 2020 a Scoreup course. Please enroll yourself for the course. Now let's come to passage number 2. Let's come to passage number 2. Okay, let's come to passage number 2. Okay, let's come to passage number 2. Am I clear, friends? So let's see passage number 2. Those who haven't liked the session and shared the session with your friends, please like the session right now. Please like the session right now so that so that you are able to help those who are in need of such classes. Okay, now read the passage again. Read this passage. Read this passage, friends. Read the passage very carefully, friends. Please read the passage very carefully. If it is buffering, friends, I would request all of you, if it is buffering, friends, just decrease the resolution of the video. Then everything will be easy for you. Now, this passage relates to a judgment of the Supreme Court with regards to the fact that the office of the Chief Justice also comes under the purview of Right to Information Act. Am I clear? Read the passage very carefully. Read the passage very carefully, friends. I will give you another 15 to 20 seconds. After that, start. We will go to the questions. Read the passage very carefully. Let's go to question number 6. What is the name of the judge whose name has been replaced with one in the above mentioned passage? That means we are right now referring to the name of the Chief Justice of India who was a part of the bench that held that the office of the Chief Justice of India comes within the ambit of the Right to Information Act. Is it Justice Ranjan Gogoi? Is it Sharath Arvind Bobde? Is it Justice Deepak Mishra? Or is it Chief Justice of India Jagdish Singh Kehar? And the correct answer is none other than fantastic. A lot of people have given me the right answer, and the correct answer is option A, Ranjan Gogoi. The former Chief Justice of India, before his retirement, he held that the office of the Chief Justice, comes within the purview of the Right to Information Act. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Question number 7. The name given to benches of the Supreme Court of India that have at least 5 judges. What is the name of the bench where at least 5 judges sit? The question is before you. Is it called a division bench? Is it called a full bench? Is it called a constitution bench? Is it called a single bench? A bench where at least 5 judges sit together is called what? It is called a constitutional bench. A constitutional bench. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay? It is called a constitutional bench. It's called a constitutional bench. Okay? Question number 8. What is the name of RTI activist whose application to the CPIO, Supreme Court of India, eventually led to the case discussed in the passage above? If you remember, in the Gradeup course, we did discuss this judgment called Subhash Chandra Agarwal versus. Okay, so the person whose RTI was allowed by the CPIO Supreme Court was Subhash Chandra Agarwal. Am I clear? Subhash Chandra Agarwal. Okay. We had discussed this in the free trial classes. In the Gradeup course, we did discuss CPIO, Central Public Information Officer, Supreme Court of India versus Subhash Chandra Agarwal, the case. Okay. You remember that we had discussed this in important judgment. See, whatever we had discussed about a week back came in your question. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Question number 6 was, someone had asked me what is the answer to question number 6. Insofar as question number 6 is concerned, the question was, who was the Chief Justice of India who gave that landmark judgment? It was none other than former Chief Justice of India, Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Justice Ranjan Gogoi is right now a nominated member in the Rajya Sabha. Am I clear? Okay. Question number 9. Who is the RTI activist? Read the question very carefully. Who is the RTI activist from Assam who was arrested under Unlawful Activities Act on the backdrop of the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019? The correct answer, most of you have given me the correct answer, is Akhil Gogoi. Very, very good. Very good. A lot of people have given me the right answer. He is none other than Akhil Gogoi. He is none other than Akhil Gogoi. Option D is the correct answer. Am I clear? Okay. So those who haven't liked the session and shared the session with your friends by now, I would request all of you to like and share this session with your friends. Question number 10. Question number 10. Which amongst the following was the first Indian state to enact a law on right to information? Which was the state? Which was the state? Which is the first state in India to enact a law? Which state, which Indian state enacted the first law on Right to Information Act? A lot of people have given me the correct answer. It is Tamil Nadu. Fantastic. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. It is not Kerala, not Uttar Pradesh, not Maharashtra, but Tamil Nadu. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Am I clear? Option D is the correct answer, friends. Okay. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. Friends, at Gradeup, we have launched a Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course, which will consist of 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, 3000 plus practice questions, 12 plus mocks, topic-wise quizzes, PDFs for revision, and full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge. So, in view of the fact that there were certain buffering issues today, in case there are a lot of doubts, we will have the session again. Okay, we will try, because there were certain buffering issues today. I think most of you have understood the question, and we discussed these questions very categorically today. In case there are certain buffering issues, we will discuss, and if so, we will reschedule the class again. Okay, up on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedule. Up on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedule. Okay, up on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedule. Do take note of the fact that every day we have YouTube classes, free YouTube classes. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of today's class. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any notification on our new videos. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.